Let us try to discuss kung paano mag-solve ng limits using our calculator. Okay, so in this particular video, I am using Casio FX991ES Plus. However, this is no longer allowed by PRC. Okay, bawal na ito gamitin sa board exam, pati yung Casio FX570ES Plus. Okay, so I would suggest na kung bibili ka rin lang ng calculator, ito na ang bilhin mo, yung Canon F789 SGA. Okay, kasi sa lahat ng allowable calculators ni PRC, this is the best possible option that you have. Okay? Pero don't worry if I am using a different calculator kasi yung placement naman ng buttons ni Canon and ni Casio are almost identical. Okay, may minimal differences lang pero overall parehong-pareho naman yung looks nila. Okay, so kayang-kaya mo pa rin sundan itong tutorial. Okay, so let us start with number 1. Okay, by the way, before you solve, dapat nakaset muna ang calculator mo into regions. Okay, so malalaman mo kung naka-regions na siya if letter R na itong nasa taas ng screen. Okay, kung letter D yung nakalagay dyan sa taas, this means na naka-degree pa yung calculator mo. Okay, so para ma-set siya into regions, simply press Shift Mode. Okay, press Shift Mode. And then, gusto natin siyang iset into regions, so press number 4. Okay, number 4 is region. Okay, and then you are good to go. Okay, so let us start with number 1. We have the limit of x minus 1 all over square root of x minus 1 as x approaches 4. Okay, so paano ba natin ito isosolve using our calculator? Okay, first step is i-input muna natin sa calculator itong given expression. Okay, so i-input natin yung given expression. We have x minus 1. Okay, so alpha x minus 1. Okay, so para ma-input yung x, press alpha and then x. And then minus 1. Okay, all over square root of x minus 1. Okay, so square root of alpha x. And then take note na yung minus 1 is nasa labas ng radical. Okay, so bago mo i-input yung minus 1, mag-right arrow ka muna. Okay, and then minus 1. Okay, so this is your given expression. Now, we are trying to determine the limit of this expression as x approaches 4. Okay, so we are going to substitute 4 sa x. Okay, so para ma-substitute yung 4 sa x, press nyo lang yung calc button. Ito, button